Hey, hi everybody. Today we are doing a question like this. Now, as you can see over here, it says that John had 250 more stems than Harry. So we're just going to show John and Harry. We're going to show that John is everything from here to here. Okay, you want to make sure that your model is drawn big. All right, you want to make sure that your model is drawn big so that it's clearer for you. Okay, we know that this much over here is 250. Okay, so we are just going to do it this way. And now, sentence number 2, after John gave 57, the word gave means you minus, right? So I'm going to take away from John. Gave to who? Is it gave to somebody within the circle? Yes, it is given to who? Who is this person? Harry. So I'm just going to add over here. I'm going to add this and I'm going to say that this is 57. This will be transferred here. When I see that this is 57, in a model bar drawing, you must always make sure you mirror image. So that's the reason why there's a 57 over there. Now, of course, then over here, we can find this question mark. True? Right? So you see, if my model is drawn big, it's easier for me. Okay, it's way easier for me. All right, so what I'm going to do over here, I'm just going to do 250 minus away 57 minus away 57. When I do that, I'll get to an answer of 136. 136 over here. Am I making sense here? All right, so we know that's 136. Sentence number 3. John still had 3 times. 3 times basically means how many units? 3 units. Who had 3 units? John. So John had 3 units. So we are just going to go all the way. You must understand that it stops here because this is already gone. Agree so far? So we say that this is 3 units. Can you see that? If John is 3 units, then Harry how many units? Harry has to be 1 unit. Can you see that? So from here itself, right, I will just draw a line down. I will draw a line down because I want to show you where the 1 unit ends. Can you see where the 1 unit ends? The 1 unit is everything from the first yellow line to all the way to the last yellow line. Correct or not? So therefore, what I have over here has to be how many units? Yes, this is 2 units. Am I making sense? So from here itself, you continue, you say that 2 units is actually equals to 136. So we always want to make sure we have Mr. Greenman. All right, we will simply do 136 divided by 2. That gives me 68. The moment you get to 1 unit, you want to read the question. The question say, how many stems did each of them have at first? You must remember that this is internal transfer. Is that okay? All right, so let's see for John. At first, John will be how many units? We will use 3 units because from here all the way to here, and then later we'll add 57 because I want John at first. Am I making sense? All right, so we say John at first will be simply just 68 times 3 plus 57. All right, 68 times 3 plus 57. All right, we get to an answer of 261 for John. Okay, now, and then of course, for this person called Harry, okay, we want to find what is Harry at first. Okay, so if I know what is Harry at first, what I want to do is obviously I want to write down Harry at first. You can see Harry at first is from where to where? It's 1 unit, right? So it's the whole thing. So, but I want at first only. So I have to remove away the 57. Okay, why is it I'm removing away the 57? Because I want to remember that we are finding the at first. That means before receiving the 57. And this explains why Harry at first is 11. John at first is 261.